Mr. Devender, Kumar, we are very happy, very delighted to see you here in our hometown Khost. How do you compare Khost with the international stadiums and the Khost stadium? Please tell the viewers and our listeners, please.
I think it's growing up nicely. The outfield facility, the pitch facility, also the commentary box, the pavilions are on par with what you experience in the international matches. I think it's not far away from hosting international cricket. So in next couple of years, I see Afghanistan and particularly Khost province hosting the international cricket in next couple of years' time. I'm so impressed with the quality of the outfield and pitches here.
Thank you, very good. And you hear about Khost people, their hospitality, and what do you think now you see there from,
Yeah, I think they're very positive people, and also the energy that they bring to the game of cricket is astonishing. I remember receiving so many messages from Khost province whenever Afghanistan is playing bilateral series or even domestic cricket as well, even during the Shpaghiza in Kabul. So I think the love for cricket is amazing. So I can say that not only the hospitality of the people of Khost, at the same time the love for cricket is beyond description. It is something that you cannot experience in other parts of the world. It's something unique.
Thank you, very good. And how do you feel here in Khost according to the security, according to the people,
I think Khost is very secure. Whole of Afghanistan is very secure. So I have no concern about security here. I feel very comfortable. As you can see, I can move easily in the field wherever I want to go. I'm very happy with the security. And that's why I'm trying to say that we are not far away from hosting international cricket at this ground.
You have extremely love with Afghanistan cricket. What is the specific reason?
I think all the players have gone through very difficult time. The country has been in some turmoil for many years, around 40-45 years. And I've seen, when they fight hard, when they overcome difficult circumstances, and still they have the dream of representing country internationally. Yes. It's not feasible for common people to think about playing cricket and representing your country at the bigger level. What Afghanistan has achieved in last 20 years is remarkable. No other cricket team has achieved the amount of success that Afghanistan cricket has done. And I think the players are committed to perform for the nation. They want to spread happiness to the people. Their motive is very clear. They want to do it for the people of Afghanistan. They want to spread happiness, and that's why I love the pure dedication of the players, the fans, to bring out the best and showcase the best of Afghanistan to the world.
Thank you, well done. Thank you for your crucial time.
Thank you.
Thank you.